American Pyro, and today we're about to walk through a fireworks stand and show what they have new for 2022, and then we're gonna go light some fireworks. So let's begin. All right, so the people at the stand were nice enough to clear the whole place just for me to show you guys what TNT has that's new. So I'm gonna start with the larger fountains. This one looks amazing. It's called Allegiance, and you can actually scan the barcode and it shows what it does. But this one says it has silver rains, crackles, and whistles. Silver rain is probably my more favorite effect. You guys should definitely look that one up. Again, just type this on YouTube and it'll tell you exactly what it does. This one is also new. I've never seen it before. Atomic Salsa. It looks like it has a lot in it, and 500 grams, colorful sparks, golden rain, snow pine, and silvery crackles. Titanium flower is always a very good effect you want to look for in fountains. That's one of my personal favorite effects. I've never seen this one before. It says Living the Dream. Comes with a glow fuse, and it's 500 grams. There's a picture of what it does, and on this one it looks like it has a lot of color. Red, green, yellow, blue, purple sparks with silver cracklings. I definitely would recommend that one just because it looks like it has a lot of variety. Here are the prices. 50 bucks, mix and match. I believe you probably can get more than one, obviously. I'm not sure, it doesn't say, but there used to be an old one from TNT called Sizzler, but I don't think it's this one anymore. Let's see if it says what it does. And it's fairly light. One thing you guys should know is if a fountain is light or a firework is light, that doesn't mean it's weak or it's not going to last for a long time. I've had a lot of expensive fireworks that are very light, and they were awesome. They have a new value pack for $500. It looks like you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big fountains in there. Delirium is a really, really cool one. And Wizard Alley is a good one too. So 500 divided by 7, it's about $80 per item in there. Not bad for the way inflation is treating us right now. This one is my favorite. I'm not going to tell you guys what it does, but I love this one right here. And the artwork is really awesome. They have a bunch of value packs right here for the prices that you're looking at. And I'm going to see if I see anything new that stands out to me. This is another new one. It's called La Calaca. La Calaca. Red, green, yellow, blue, and purple with silvery crackling flower with skull flashes. Alright, I don't know what a skull flash is, but I guess I did pick something pretty unique. Crazy Bug, I've never seen that one before. It's very, very light, and this is what it does. Honestly, I would probably get something over this one if you had a choice. This is probably one of the biggest fountains you can get that are 500 gram. Very, very cool effects and very high fountain. Here's something new that I haven't seen before. It's called USA Rocket Fountain. It looks just like a missile. Let's see what it does. So it's very little, but I'll tell you what it says. Colored sparks, TI flowers, and crackles. Anything that says TI, I highly recommend. This is all stuff I've seen before. Toxic Barrel Fountain. Never seen that one. Let's see what it does. Green fishes, green glitters, and silver cracklings. That's pretty cool. And then Sparkleberry, colorful sparks with glitter, golden sunflowers crackling, and TI whistle. TI whistle. So I think while it whistles, it's actually a silver whistle fountain. And neon. I believe this one probably just has a lot of color. This is something new that I've never really seen before. Let's see what it does. It's called Mighty Sword and Titanium Rain. Ooh, anything with titanium is good. I highly, highly recommend it. So that's pretty much what TNT has this year to offer. Pretty good stuff. It is a little pricey, but it's worth it in my opinion. So hopefully you enjoy this part, and we're about to go to Phantom.